Sheesh. Thank you for your time here today. My name is Kenneth White. Everyone knows me as Kelly. And thank you again for participating in this lovely day in this totem pole raising here. I first off would like to acknowledge the Tongass tribe for joining us here today. The Tongass tribe joining us here along with the Sunday Cape Fox. How this will need to be set up is I need strong and able bodies to be here in the back. Anyone who can pull their weight, please step on to the back here of the poles. And then I will also need people to grab these 2 ropes here. So the 2 ropes that are in the back, those are the ropes that will actually be doing the heavy lifting of the pole. And these 2 ropes here in the front will be used to keep the totem from swaying. So there will be tension that will be required onto the pole. As they're raising it, we'll be releasing it. However, it's just to keep the pole from swaying from left to right. Okay. Very good. I was given the opportunity to help with this totem with the Cape Fox Corporation. And I want to thank the Cape Fox crew that has helped in participating in putting into this metal pole. Also setting up the A-frame structure that you're seeing here. The Cape Fox board for giving me the opportunity in order to place this totem pole here. So we're gonna sheesh. Just keep sway back and go. 1. All right. And pause. Wait for the straps. Once the straps are in place, and she's on. Go ahead and release the tension. Pause for effect. So my name's Kenneth Kelly White. I'm Hlinkit, Sane Kwan Tekwidi.
I'm Marcus Blair. I'm from the Chukanady tribe, Cape Fox.
Cool. Yeah, and I'm a child of the Sane Kwan. I'm of the Tekwidi Tongass tribe. So Cape Fox Corporation decided that they wanted a 50th anniversary commemorative totem pole. This here is a lovebird design that was requested by the 50th anniversary committee. Up top, you have the raven, and then right down below, you have the eagle here. Wigs here on the side, ears, eyes, mouth, beak, legs, claws, forming into the raven or eagle down below here. Yeah, looking at this pole, this to me was one of our beautiful accomplishments. Not only to have the Sane Kwan people, Cape Fox Corporation, as well as the Tongass tribe join us in this huge commemorative celebration. It evokes just a sense of honor, and not only for those who have a respect to their traditions, but also respect to the artists, the culture, the people, not only for us, but also for the future generations to come.